Well, it looks like the tracks need changing out on the T190 Bobcat. First thing I do is remove the plates, both of them, where I can see when my tension is retracted, and then take the grease fitting out and let the grease run out. And there is the grease fittings that I will remove in just a moment. And there is the tension all the way forward on this track, the old track, and I'll be watching it to come back. As you can see, I have removed the grease plug and the grease has started coming out. Actually still coming out as I'm speaking. In a moment I'll show you how to get the rest of it out. What I have found works best is to put a block in front of the bucket. I did it on the other one. In front of my track, and I take my bucket and I put pressure on the front idler arm, and that pushes the idle arm back and releases all the tension. Also squirts the grease out the hole. As you now can see, the grease has come out the hole and my tension now is back, and I've got lots of slack in my track. So now I'm going to lift it up and set it on jacks. Okay, with it jacked up now and the track hanging loose, as you can see, away from the idler, how much slack it's got in it. It's got all it can get. I have put 4 little pieces of 2x2s that I had as scrap from when I built my rail around my deck. They are about the same length as the track, so I'm guessing they're about 12 to 13 inches long. What I'm going to do now is crank up the machine, roll the track backwards to these 4 2x2s, put themselves in line with the idler so that I can now pull the track off with ease. Now, as you can see, I've rotated the 4 2x2s around to where they're on the idler, therefore clearing all my notches, making it easier to get it off. At this point you can prise it off, or you can hook a tractor or something to it to assist with pulling it off. On my first side that I did, I pulled it off with the tractor. I'm going to try prising this one off just to see if it works okay. But it worked good pulling it off with the tractor. Alright, and by the way, this is a one-man job, and this is the first Bobcat that I've done. My tracks went bad. One of them had a blowout. Therefore I swapped it out, and I was doing it by myself, so I had to come up with a way to make it easy for me.